everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Warm-Ups with Kathleen YouTube channel. When you take the time to like or subscribe or share or comment, you help my video reach more people and support my channel. So I appreciate your support. This warm-up is designed for low voices and for folks who want to work on their low range. They are some of my favorite and most effective warm-ups in keys that will work for you. That said, I will cover a broad range, so hang in as long as you can and feel free to jump octaves if you need to. Take a moment as always to readjust your alignment, scan for tension, and take a couple of low, natural breaths. Let's start with a glide on a V sound. Let's sing. Now if you'd rather sing this on a lip trill, that's a great choice as well. Here we go. Let's sing. Here we go. Focusing now on relaxation, let's sing. Singing a semi-occluded sound like a lip trill or singable consonant is very good for developing coordination and ease. Let's sing. Here we go. Bringing in some efficiency and brilliance, let's try E-A like E-A. Here we go. Let's sigh down. Let's move into I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Focus on the ease of movement. The jaw and tongue and lips move gently without overworking. I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Moving into some agility and flexibility, let's sing on Neo. Neo, 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 Neo. Here we go. Neo, 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 Neo. 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 This exercise will allow for focus and easy movement. We will sing money, 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 money. 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 Money, We do want to have a balanced practice that allows our range to expand in every direction. I'd encourage you to stick with the high ranges here as feels safe for you. Let's sing an easy arpeggio on ma. We will sing ma. mix in with a big sigh down to vocal fry. Keep it easy. Thank you so much for singing with me today. I hope you're feeling a bit more warmed up. I will see you next time.